Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shorts using AI. First, understand that AI streamlines the entire video creation process, from script writing to final edits. This allows you to produce high-quality, engaging short-form content much faster than traditional methods. We will cover selecting the right AI tools, generating compelling content, and optimizing your shorts for maximum impact. Get ready to transform your content creation workflow with these powerful AI techniques. Choosing the right AI tools is crucial for efficient short creation. Look for platforms that offer robust script generation, realistic voiceovers, and intuitive video editing capabilities. Some popular options include AI scriptwriters that can draft a 60-second video script in moments, and AI voice generators with over 20 distinct voices. Many tools provide free tiers or trials, allowing you to experiment before committing to a paid plan. Once your tools are selected, generating content becomes incredibly simple. Input your topic or a few keywords, and the AI will draft a compelling script for your short. Next, use text-to-speech AI to convert your script into a natural-sounding voiceover. Many platforms can then automatically select appropriate stock footage, images, and background music, perfectly syncing them with your audio. This process can create a complete draft in under 5 minutes. To maximize your short's reach, optimize titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Use a mix of broad and niche hashtags to attract a diverse audience. Engage with comments and analyze performance metrics to refine your strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Consistent posting and audience interaction are key to growing your channel and potentially monetizing your AI-generated content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.